Good morning, sir. Myself, I am KM Sai Verna. I am from AAA branch. My roll number is 244G1A0246. Today, my topic is presentation on parameter pausing call by reference using an example. Introduction to parameter pausing. Parameter pausing is a critical concept in programming that determines how arrangements are transmitted to functions. Different methods exciting including call by value and call by reference. This presentation will focus on call by reference and its advantages in programming. What is call by reference? Call by reference means passing the address of the variable to the function rather than a copy of its value. This allows the function to modify the original variable directly. It's particularly useful when working with large data structures as it avoids unnecessary copying. How call by reference works? When a variable is passed by reference, the function receives the memory address of the variable. Any changes made to the parameter inside the function directly affect the original variable. This is in contrast to call by value, where a copy of the variable is passed, leaving the original unchanged. Example overview. Let's take a look at a simple example in C++. We will create a function that swaps two numbers using call by reference. This will illustrate how changes in the functions affect the original variables. The code example part 1. Here's the function defines for swapping two integers cap void swap into address a comma into int address b floor bracket. Int temp is equals to a semicolon, a is equals to b semicolon, b is equals to temp semicolon, floor bracket. The address symbol indicates that both parameters are passed by reference. This allows swap to directly modify the values of a and b. The code example part 2. Next, we'll see how to call the swap function in the main function. Cap int main address int x is equals to 5, y is equals to 10 semicolons, swap x comma y semicolon floor bracket. After calling swap, the values of x and y will be exchanged. This demonstrates the particle effect of call by reference. Out of the example, the output of the program will be the swapped values of x and y. Entirely x is 5 and y is 10. After the swap function call, x will be 10 and y will be 5. Advantages of call by reference. Call by reference allows functions to modify their arrangement values directly. It is memory efficient as it does not create copies of large data structures. This method can lead to better performance in screeners where data needs to be modified. Potential drawbacks. Call by reference can lead to unintended side effects if not used carefully. Programmers must ensure that the original variables are not altered unexpectedly. This can be debugging more challenging, especially in large code bases. Conclusion. Call by reference is powerful parameter pausing method that enhances flexibility and performance. Understanding its machines is purely for effective programming. By using call by reference judiciously, developers can write more efficient and clean code. Feel free modify any contact or structures as needed. Thank you.